If you want to know how to make bitter lentils or teto dal, then please watch the video till the end. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for more videos. Also, please check out my gardening channel, Cheap Gardening. I will share the link in the description box. This traditional Bengali day-to-day recipe is generally made with uche, a kind of bitter gourd. It is eaten during the summer or the warmer days of the year. It is served along with rice in the main course of meal. It improves digestion. Let's quickly find out the ingredients needed. Now let's prepare the ingredients. I have bitter gourd or Karela, 3 large pieces or 300 grams. Cut them into circular rings of medium thickness. Generally, uche, a kind of bitter gourd, is used for this recipe. It's more bitter than Karela or Karela. I have got diced bitter gourd, 4½ cups. I have taken yellow lentils or moong dal, ½ cup. Roasted in medium to high heat till some dal starts changing color to brown or brownish and a nice aroma of roasted dal starts coming out. Stir from time to time to avoid lentils getting burned. It looks done. Take out of the pan and keep it aside to cool off. It's nicely roasted. When the dal is cool, wash it 3 to 4 times with water like this. To fry the bitter gourd, heat mustard oil 5 tablespoons till it fumes. Add diced bitter gourd, salt ½ teaspoon and turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 7 to 8 minutes or till nearly fried. Take off most of the bitter gourd except few. Fry them to golden brown like this. Keep this aside for garnishing. Now let's make the dal. Pour the washed yellow lentils into the pressure cooker. Add salt ½ teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, water 3 cups, crushed ginger 2 tablespoons and green chillis 3 broken into 2 pieces. Pressure cook for 7 to 8 minutes in high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, cool the pressure cooker by putting it under running water. Open it. With a stirrer, mash the dal into a thick dal. You can see the lentil can be mashed by pressing hard between 2 fingers. This means it's nearly done. If we stir after the bitter gourd are added, then they will break and will not give a nice look. See how thick the dal is. Now add the bitter gourds that are nearly fried. Boil for 10 minutes. Switch off the gas stove. For the furon or tadka, heat mustard oil 3 tablespoons till it fumes. Add Bayleaf 1, dry red chili 2 broken into 2 pieces, 5 furon 1 teaspoon and cumin ½ teaspoon. Saute till golden brown and immediately pour it into the dal. Serve it after 5 to 7 minutes. I will serve it hot with the hot steamed rice. It serves 4 to 5 people. See you in the next video. Bye.